Hi guys, Eric with Stratford Construction. We're here at 921 Bernard Drive in Buffalo Grove, Illinois. This is my second time here at this property. The first time I did the repair, I think you guys were saying that my form was a little bit off, so I'll go ahead and do it differently this time. We'll see how this repair goes. I know last time there was mat transfer, so I stopped after one, and if the same thing happens, I'll stop after one this time as well. So here we go. Yep, seems like it's going to be the same thing again. As careful as I can. Doing everything I can to minimize the amount I'm flexing these shingles. As you guys can see, I'll be able to at least see where the nails are. Let's go get this one nailed in. Tell this is probably rotted decking here because my nails kind of bouncing off the surface there. A lot of rotted decking on this roof too. I can tell if I'm just walking around on it. As we can see, once again, did this repair by the book. See that? These are already in, these shingles are already in pretty much horrid shape as it is. Definitive creasing almost on almost every one. If I come back here, you can really see it. So this is the supplementary video you guys wanted to have, and I did the repair as specified. Didn't lift anything extra, didn't wipe anything off, so you guys are seeing the raw results here. So this roof is clearly not repairable.